Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing great. All right, I welcome you to my tutorial. A subscriber sent this picture to me and made the request that I should teach it, and I achieved that design, but finally created this. Please, the first picture is not my work, it's just a subscriber that sent it to me, but this one is my work. So after getting design she requested, I had to do the unique things. You understand now, I don't like dulling, so I had to start doing some rishi to enhance this design. So finally I ended up getting this design. So guys, for this tutorial I'll be teaching how to get the first design and finally the unique design. So without taking your time, let's move straight to tutorial. All right, so guys, this is the Zara cap. If you don't know how to make the Zara cap, there's a link on my description box which will show you how to get this. It's already on my channel. All right, so I will now be showing you how to get that round, what I call it, pleat or padded design in front. The material I'm using is a stretchy fabric, and this particular one measures 27 inches length by 5 inches width. I cut out 2 pieces. Okay, this is what I'll be using to form that round design on top of the Zara cap base. Okay, and what I'm holding is 1-inch foam. 1-inch foam. Guys, this Zara cap is very easy. Just what you do for me is to pay attention. This foam, you can see the width. This is the width. This is 1 inch, but I added like some points there. Can see it. Please, while measuring, this is what you will measure out. Don't know what to call it. I don't know if I should call it 1.02 or what. I don't even know, or 1.25. So the length of this measures 35 inches length by that thing I showed you, 1.25. I don't know. So remember, it's 1 inch. So I cut out 2 pieces. What I'm using for this tutorial is a stretchy fabric. It's a bell fabric though, but stretchy. And the stretchy part is my length part. The stretchy part is my length part. All right, so this I'll be wrapping this up. You notice that the right side is facing me. I'm sewing on the right side while the foam is inside. I don't know if you get me. This is the right side facing me. Now I know I'm emphasizing on this. So after sewing, you just cut it out this way, very close to that stitch, that place you use the sewing machine to sew down, but don't cut on top of the thread though, so you don't loosen it up. All right, so you can see the way it looks. So next thing I'll be doing now is to attach it here. All right, so I'll be placing it this way. See, if you notice that the side that is sewn, that part that is sewn is hidden. You can see it while the smooth part is facing me. Okay, so what I'll be doing now is to use my needle and thread to hold it down this way. Please, I want to say something here. In case you want to attach this with the Zara cap, after attaching your mako, you attach this before completing your Zara cap. After attaching your mako, just take these two, put it at the back, then sew everything together. It's still allowed, but I didn't do it here. I just did this method. Okay, so I'll be placing it this way, then I'll use my needle and thread to hold it at the back here. And through it with my running stitch. Just watch and see the way I'll be tacking it. Guys, please, if this is your first time of joining this unique family, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can explore. Yes, you can just move up and down on my channel. You can see other designs that might interest you. And if any design is helpful, please kindly give this a thumbs up. The reason why I always say like my video, what I mean by liking is give it a thumbs up, you understand, please, so that the video will go viral and also bless other souls. All right, and if you have not been commenting, like if you have any question, kindly ask question. Is allowed. Okay, you feel free to ask any question via the comment section. All right, so I'm done tacking that side, and next thing I'll be doing now is to hold this down. See, you can use your UHU gum or your candle gum or your B6000 and hold this down. Okay, but I will just use my pin to hold it down. What you just do is later you can use your candle gum, just rub it down and press these two foam. It will now hook down on the Zara cap base, but I will just do this rough or I say temporary hold with pin. Yes, I just did the temporary hold with pin. Then I'll be tacking the other side of it. So I was saying, if you have any question, you can send on the comment section. And remember, I told you have a WhatsApp group, and that WhatsApp group, the link is also on the description box. But if you find it hard to join us, there is a number that appeared um on this screen when I started this video. Please pick up that number, send me a message, and I'll be able to do what? Send you the link, okay? All right, so you can see the way it looks. Please remember I told you can use your UHU gum, your B6000, your candle gum, but for me, I later used candle gum to hold it down. That was what I used. I prefer using candle gum. So what you did on the other side, just tack it down the same way here. I don't know if you get me. You did the same tacking, just the way you did on the first side. And please, why tacking? Avoid that elastic on the Zara Cap base. Avoid the elastic. So this is how it looks, and you can see the back. And I've not removed my pins, so I've not removed my pins. So what you just do is, after doing this, just make sure you use your candle gum to hold it down. So the material I'm holding now is for the back design, and the length is 55 inches by 6 inches width. For those already know, I inserted crinoline here. I'm so sorry I didn't show you the crinoline. What I inserted inside this fabric is 3 inches crinoline. That is why this fabric measures 55 inches length by 6 inches width. 55 inches length by 6 inches width. So I just folded it and sewed down. Then I later inserted 3 inches crinoline. 3 inches. Don't know if you get me. So you can see the way I'm trying to form the crinoline rows that will be at the back of that Zara cap. It's allowed to create any design. You mustn't use this design, okay? Remember, I always say it's all about creativity. It's left for you to design your own. It's not a must you do what Unique Nello just did. Yes, it's all about creativity. Once it's beautiful, you can use any design to cover up your rough part on your Zara cap, okay? So this is me completing the back of the Zara cap, the crinoline ruffle. Please make sure while sewing, sew on top of the crinoline. While doing this ruffle, pick your crinoline with the fabric. Don't go and just pick only fabric. Pick also the crinoline. It will help it form this design very well. Pick the crinoline while forming your while doing your running stitch. I know I'm saying this. If you don't do it, it won't come out beautiful. So you can see the way it is. I have placed on my dummy, on my Zara cap, and I'll be tacking it this way down to this Zara cap. Okay. All right. I'm done tacking it, and if you watch closely, you see that I've removed that temporary pin there. I want to say something here, please. If you don't want to attach the crinoline ruffle, the picture the lady sent to me has a rose at the back. The measurement you use and get that rose is the length will be the full length of your fabric, be it 58 inches or 60 inches. You understand? What you will do is your length will be the full length of your fabric. The full length of your fabric will be your length, while the width is now 9 inches. 9 inches. Once you use this measurement, you use it to get the rose at the back of your of the Zara cap. Just use the same method I used in forming that crinoline rose. Understand? Just use the same method of forming the crinoline rose. You also get it. Just the difference is you won't attach crinoline. Don't attach crinoline. And make sure you use something like raw silk, Mikado fabric, satin. If you use poly, it won't stand. If you use poly fabric, it won't stand. Your rose, this rose in this picture will not stand. I don't know if you get me. All right. So if you observe this picture, you will see that the rose here was standing. It's really standing. So don't use poly, okay? All right. So guys, you can see I've used candle gum to gum mine, and you can see that everything is in place now. So next thing to do is to do the unique style. Remember I told you that I first of all got her design before going on to add some more rich to my own. The normal unique way. I had to do something now to make it classy. All right, so what I'm doing now is to locate the center of the Zara cap, which I have done. Then I took my measuring tape, placed it from that center, that place I placed my pin, and took it backwards. You can see exactly where the design stopped. I got 12 inches. So I divided 12 inches by 3. 12 divided by 3, and I got 4 inches. So I just come to 4 inches. I placed it. The why I'm doing this is I want to get equal pleat, as in equal design. You understand? Don't want one the other side will shift and the other side will not shift. Remember, this work is all about professionalism. So you must show people that you know what you're doing. All right, so what I just did on this side, I'll be doing it on the other side again. Just place your measuring tape from the center to the back, which is 12 inches. Then place your pin on 4 inches and place again on 8 inches. Don't know if you get that. All right, so guys, over to that. Will I say pleat or squeeze, or I don't even know. The thing just came to my head and I was like, let me just try this out and see how it looks. All right, so this is how I formed that design there. See, you can still leave yours this way. It is not a must you do what I'm doing. I always emphasize on this. Remember, my tutorials is not a straight, I'm not being strict. You must do what I no. You can just stop where where that picture stopped. The picture she sent, you can stop there, or you can continue. It's all about creativity, guys. You can even create yours. You mustn't do what I did. These tutorials always serve as a guide. It's always serve as a guideline to others. So what you'll be doing is once you drag this down and see that you've gotten that that design I did there, you tack it, and those places I put the pin, all this place, you understand, you'll be doing same thing. So what I'll be doing now is to cut out my thread. I cut out my thread, did it here again, did here. Guys, please give me a thumbs up. Look, that place I'm watching my video, there's something like this, thumbs up on this screen. I showed you the sign. Go and click it, please. I beg you, support your girl. Okay, so after doing all these things, I later used Orishi shiny bling to add some puree, yeah, so my people can see the final look of this design. See, if you find this video helpful and you've not liked this video, now wow, some people they tuned on. You understand? For those in TikTok, all the same, please just give this video a thumbs up, okay? And don't hesitate to subscribe for the new members. Thanks for staying up to this time. It's your girl Unique Nelo. I love you all. See you next time. Bye. Mwah.